Real estate has been part of my life as long as I can remember. When I was probably 17-ish, I came to Richmond with my parents and we drove down Monument, and as we were driving down Monument, the sun was setting and the sky was red and pink, and it was like, wow, Richmond's a really pretty place to live. Had always been brought up around old houses, historic houses in Virginia. The idea of getting into real estate was a way to deal with buildings and something that I could work on while I was in high school. The thing I love the most about working with our group is that people really look after each other. They are there for each other if they need something, and it's a really good feeling to come in where people are open and helpful to each other within the office. It is not about doing everything the same way we have always done, but about doing them the absolute best way for our client. Over the years, I've seen Richmond change many times, always for the better. Different people have different needs about whether they need to live in a more suburban environment or a more urban environment. Richmond has a wealth of really interesting neighborhoods of all types.
So I really appreciated the fact that Chris really understands the market. We were purchasing a house that was very much expected to have multiple offers, and he gave us a great strategy, and it worked.
I've been fortunate to work with some really interesting properties and some even more interesting people over the years. This is your opportunity to choose your life, and choosing your neighborhood and your location is going to be pivotal to the kind of experience that you have. Properties are different, people are different, and figuring it all out and working the puzzle out to help people accomplish things they're looking to do is really the thing that keeps it fascinating. It's been great to help people work out things they never imagined they could accomplish.